Alright, so we're moving to the back now. I unhooked all the wires going to places like here, here, here. Unhooked the hoses, which are here. Set them out of the way behind there. And I've already started getting to my bolts. Here's one. There's another between here. You want to hit this thing with a screwdriver, pull it out. There's another bolt, go all the way down and get all the bolts out. See, I pushed this clip in, got that off.